Hi, welcome back to the FMA Debrief. Today, I'm here with Cindy Day from SparkForce, the FMA Foundation, to talk about an amazing opportunity that we have for students that are interested in careers in manufacturing.
Thanks for having me, Sarah. At SparkForce, we're committed to supporting the next generation workforce through scholarships and other programs that open doors to rewarding manufacturing careers.
That's great, Cindy. So why are careers like this important for the manufacturing industry right now?
Well, as you know, the industry is facing a significant skilled worker shortage with more than 2 million jobs expected to go unfilled in the coming years. Actually, one study predicts that this labor gap could potentially cost the industry as much as $1 trillion by the year 2030 alone.
Wow.
SparkForce is building a talent pipeline, and our scholarships empower students to remove those financial barriers so that they can devote their time to building the skills that they need to pursue those manufacturing careers.
Yeah, that's really helpful. So I would love to know, do we have a success story? Is there somebody who's received a scholarship and what have they gone on to do?
One of our scholarship recipients, Michael, used his award to pay for tuition, fees, and other costs associated with earning his degree in welding and metal fabrication technology. He's thriving now in a fulfilling, high-demand job and even mentoring other students who want to enter the industry.
That's fantastic.
And it's stories like these that really show how SparkForce is truly shaping lives and careers.
That's great, Cindy. That's not only inspiring, I love Michael's story, but it also shows us why it's so important for the industry. So for students that are interested, what should they do?
Well, it's really easy to apply. Just visit sparkforce.org, check your eligibility, and click on Submit Your Application. We encourage all students who are pursuing degrees that will lead to a career in manufacturing to apply today.
Great, and applications are open till March 31st, so get yours in. Thanks, Cindy.
Thank you.